Then the inner ear. Inner ear also contains the three parts, and these three parts which are present in the inner ear are the vestibule, semicircular canals, and then the cochlea. First of all, vestibule. Vestibule is the center of the inner ear. Vestibule is simple, the center of the inner ear. Semicircular canals. These canals consist of the three canals. Basically, in semicircular canals, three canals are present, and these canals are started from the posterior of the vestibule. Means semicircular canals are present behind the vestibules. And then the third part is the cochlea. Cochlea contains the three ducts which can be wraps itself. Means is tarah, like this. This is the form of the cochlea, and the three ducts which is wraps itself in the form of the coil tube like structure. So this is known as the cochlea. The basic and important thing is that the sound receptors which are present, which are responsible for the hearing sense, these receptors are present between the second duct of the cochlea. So cochlea is the basic and important part which produce the sound and which helps to hear the sounds. So the second duct which of the cochlea contains the sound receptors. Basic three parts: vestibule, semicircular canals, and the cochlea. Students, see book. From here, ear is start: external ear, middle ear, and the internal ear. This information, blue box gives the information. When you hold your fingers of your palm behind the ear, you can hear the sound with the same velocity or frequency, same concentration, but after some time you can remove your hand behind your ear and sound these airs, and hear these sounds at the same frequency or concentration. Then you basically observe the difference. The difference is that when you put your hand behind your ear, then you can hear the clarity of the voice. So simply it's mean that जब आपको किसी भी चीज़ को आपको आवाज़ थोड़ी क्लियर नहीं आ रही होती है, आप अपने कान पे हाथ रखते हैं या कान के पीछे हाथ रखेंगे, तो आपको जो आवाज़ है वो बहुत अच्छे से और क्लियर सुनाई देना शुरू हो जाएगी एज़ कम्पेयर टू आप इसी तरह से आवाज़ को सुने. एक ही सेम कंसंट्रेशन की आप वॉइसेस लें, लेकिन जब आप अपने कान के पीछे हाथ रख के सुनेंगे तो आपको ज़्यादा अच्छे से आवाज़ सुनाई देगी. ऑल्सो सी दिस डायग्राम. This is the structure of the human ear. This is the external part of the ear which is known as the pinna. This is the auditory canal which contains the glands and hair, and glands produces the wax hair. This is the auditory canal, and the end of the external part is the tympanum, eardrum, and from the tympanum the malleus is started. Malleus is attached with the tympanum, and these are the middle ear bones, malleus, incus, and the stapes, and the stapes is attached with the vestibule, so or oval window. This is the part of the middle ear, and then this one is the last part which is known as the external ear. This is the cochlea, eustachian tube which connect the middle ear to the nasal cavity, and then this is the vestibule, inner of the center of the inner ear. Hope so class, it's all clear now. Thank you class, it's all about our today lecture.